This is Carlye Walters with Advanced Esthetic Training, and I'm here today to bring you a quick dermaplaning tip. More passes over the skin are not always better. Multiple passes over a trouble area that you just can't seem to remove all of that hair can cause an abrasion to the skin that may not be visible immediately after treatment but will appear 2 to 3 days post-treatment. This can lead to a wide variety of potential difficulties, including but certainly not limited to pigmentation irregularities that may not be reversible, as well as inflammation. 2 passes is always sufficient.